Alright, so this is going to be how you set up your Final Cut Pro project for J361. As you can see here, I have put my memory chip in. The first thing I want to do is create a folder and call it your last name project 123, whatever it may be. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and launch Final Cut Pro, which looks like this, a little film slate icon. Alright, if you open it, you're going to see a few windows. You have your browser where your video lives. You'll have your viewer where you can view different clips. You'll have your canvas, and this is where you'll see things and work on them, but more on that later. And this is your timeline. So first things first, before you do anything, you want to come up to Final Cut Pro and go to System Settings, and you'll see here these are called your scratch disks. So we're going to be saving these on the desktop, but if you have a hard drive, we can also save it on there, but I'll show you that if you have one. So you want to go to Set, and you're going to want to locate the folder that you made. So here's my folder. I'm just going to select that, choose. Don't worry about this second one, but you need to do the same thing for the next three here. Same thing. And last one. Okay, now the next step, and this is crucial too, is to go to File, Save Project As, and I'm going to call it last name underscore project 1. Now this is very important too. You do not want to save it to the desktop. You want to go and find that folder and make sure everything goes in that folder, because everything lives in there, or else it will be all over the place. Alright, so that's how you set up your project. Now we're going to go to File, Log, and Transfer, and you'll see this window that pulls up, and here are where your clips are. I'm just going to choose a few clips for the purposes here. So I don't want the first 5 or 7 clips, so I'm just going to choose 8 and 9. You can hold shift and select them. You can either drag media here or add selection to queue, and you'll see this bar is running, uploading the films, transferring the video rather. Alright, once you're done, you'll see that the clips come up here. I would recommend renaming them, and you could just do this. And you could call it whatever helps you. Make sure you want to save. You can either go to File, Save, Project. Do not go to Save Project As again, because it will make a duplicate of your project and you don't need that. Or you can simply hit Command S. And that's how you set up your project and get it ready to edit.